Next is a publication. What is the meaning of publication? Here, after 18 months, the patent application will be published. It is automatically. So, based on the date of the application you have filed, either it may be a provisional or complete, that zero time is considered, and from that zero, exactly at the end of 18 months, your patent application will be published. What exactly is published? The bibliographic information, abstract, number of claims, number of drawings. This information will be published. Where it will be published? It will be published in the official gazette. So, where you can see this official gazette, on the IP India site, you can check the publication. So, you can just check the title as a publication. And if you click on that publication, you can just visit that gazette, or you can see the title as a journal. So, either of the title, if you click, these both titles are available on the site. You can click on this and you can visit the journal. Every Friday, this gazette will be updated or it will be published. You can click on it and then you can just open that PDF and you can go through the gazette. This publication is automatic and there is no requirement of any fee.